Good day, my Aqua friends. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do this Christmas card that has some sparkle in it. The first thing I did was made a very good sketch of a poinsettia, and I'm starting with the very top petals and working wet on wet. I'm doing each petal separately, taking my time, putting in the different colors. I actually pretty much just used rose madder and carmine. And kind of as it dries, I go back and I might add a little bit more color. When it's extremely wet like this, everything spreads very, very fast. My water is actually a little dirty, and that light pink hue just kind of adds to the petals as an underpainting. Kind of added a little much there, and I thought, oh, I should take that off, but then I kind of liked it, so I'm adding a little bit more pigment to the other leaves to sort of match. Last petal on the top. So as you see, I just keep going around until I have all those petals covered. This is a one-layer painting, folks. So for that, it's very quick and so much fun to do, especially when we get to the glitter part. So those top petals, I'm doing the same thing with that flower that's off to the side. And drop in your colors, whatever colors you'd like to use. I actually tried a really warm red, like a scarlet red, and it's a little bit opaque, and I just didn't like it. It looked really muddy. So then I redid it and chose these very transparent colors. So once that top layer is dry, you will go ahead and do the second set of petals in the same manner, wetting the area first and dropping in your color. So it's really easy, it's foolproof, you really can't mess it up. This is a great beginner's project. And it doesn't look like much without the gold. It's still pretty, but I would probably, if I didn't have the gold surrounding each petal, I probably would have went for some more layers for more definition. I'm thinking. I do that a lot when I'm looking at a petal or whatever I'm painting. I'll like pause and twist my paintbrush. Thinking. All right, 2 more petals to go on this flower, and you can see it's starting to shape up. It's starting to look like a poinsettia. So I actually decided to make that a leaf. I'm putting in a few leaves on that main flower, just a very, very watery version of a sap green I'm using. Son of a... I am so sorry. I missed some of the recording. The background, just to give you an update here, I just did some very watery splashes. And then I took some glitter and glue, and you're just basically tracing around the petals. So that's easy. I didn't really need to show you that anyways. So recanting, I have a very small brush, trace the outline, take your glitter, sprinkle it on, and you get this beautiful border all the way around. So here I'm doing the center. I pick up my paper and I tap it so that the glitter gets on all the glue areas, and then I had a spare piece of paper there just to drop the glitter. You could always recycle what's on the paper. So that's how I made that. Now there was another option. I have gold ink, and I sort of did a practice swatch, as you can see, and the gold ink was pretty but nowhere near as sparkly as the glitter. So what do you guys think about this Christmas card? Again, sorry about the technical difficulties I had. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next week.